Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into two incredibly simple, yet incredibly powerful tools that you already have within you: deep breathing and meditation. You might hear these terms and think, oh, that's for super spiritual people, or, I don't have time for that. But trust me, even just a few minutes a day can make a massive difference in how you feel, both mentally and physically. Let's start with deep breathing. Think about how you usually breathe when you're busy or stressed. Probably short, shallow breaths that barely fill your lungs. But when you take a deep breath, you're engaging your diaphragm, a muscle just below your lungs. When you breathe deeply, slowly filling your belly and then your chest, you're actually sending a signal to your nervous system. It's like telling your body, hey, it's okay, you can relax now. This simple act can immediately lower your heart rate, reduce muscle tension, and help calm that racing mind. It's like hitting a reset button for your entire system. Try it with me for a second. Inhale slowly through your nose, letting your belly rise, then exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. See? Even just one deep breath can shift things. Now, let's talk about meditation. This isn't about emptying your mind or becoming a Zen master overnight. Meditation is simply the practice of focusing your attention. Often, it's focusing on your breath, but it could also be on a sound, a sensation, or even a thought. The goal isn't to stop thinking, because our brains love to think, but rather to gently bring your attention back whenever your mind wanders. When you practice this, you're actually training your brain. You're building mental muscles that help you stay present, improve your focus, and reduce the grip of stressful thoughts. Imagine this. You're having a super busy day, feeling overwhelmed. Instead of letting that feeling spiral, you take 5 minutes. You find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and just focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inevitably, your mind will drift to your to-do list or what you need to make for dinner. But instead of getting frustrated, you just gently bring your attention back to your breath. That's it. That simple act of noticing your thoughts without judgment and returning to your anchor, your breath, is powerful. The benefits of combining deep breathing with even short periods of meditation are huge. You can experience reduced stress and anxiety, improved sleep, better focus and concentration, and even a greater sense of calm and well-being in your daily life. It's truly a natural superpower waiting for you to unlock it. So, why not give it a try? Even a few minutes a day can be a game changer.